She with Maddie. Okay, I'm filming anyway. Look at us go. So that's Ethan there.
Yep, sorry.
Alright, you're just going to let us drift?
Yeah.
This isn't very good.
Well, I can't really row. And Maddie's already there.
Whoa!
Do you reckon I can get this to the bottom?
Don't.
I'm going to try.
It's pretty fun. Oh, are you going to hop out, are you?
What? I don't know what I said.
That's what I heard.
I said we're going out to shore. Oh, we're going out. Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah.
Did I jump out?
Nope.
Oh.
It's actually really refreshing.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. What are you doing? Do you want me to help?
Oh, Maddie's in the water, I reckon. That's not. Yes, it is. If we were talking about getting in water, I was like, oh, that's not Maddie. Alright, Mum, back to shore. Land ho.
There he is. Got a stowaway. Good job, buddy.
There we go. Drag her back.
Ah!
Mum,
Yeah, you have to drag me back to see. It does make it hard to see. Yep, drag me in, boy.
This is so difficult.
Do you need me?
I'm gonna sink. I'm gonna sink wearing a life jacket.
Jack! Stop, Daddy.
I haven't even watched that.
Now.
3, 2, 1.
She just steals the oar. Yeah, it actually is.
I feel like you need to go back a bit.
Yeah, to go back a little bit, but not on my feet. Can you do that?
But like it's
Okay, seriously, do not fall off. You're holding on for your life. I should get back to Maddie. All the way back the other direction. Do you want me to go under the bridge?
yes.
Okay.
Under the bridge.
Go under? Not you. You're not going under. So fun.
Alright, let's do this.
Okay. Which one do you want me to go under? The first section, second, or third?
Oh, never mind, that one.
The middle?
Yeah. I was gonna say that one, but I don't really feel like getting technical. You know?
Ah! It doesn't want us to do it. Uh-oh. Crud. It's alright. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Sorry. It's alright. Did it. Yeah, don't hold on to that because that will give you tetanus. That's cool.
Thanks for Tetris.
Tetris. Nice. Alright, let's go. Back to Maddie. Okay, let's do it. Become a new hobby.
Yeah, give this to Mitchell. Dad, it'd just be right in front of you.
Nicely done.
I'll get it.